Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. Imagine your cloud system like a house. If you don't control who enters, anyone can walk in and steal your stuff. That is why access control is the most important part of cloud security. ISO 27017 tells us how to lock the doors, who gets the keys, and how to make sure no one enters your cloud silently. Now, why access control is a big deal in cloud? In the cloud, your data isn't inside your office. It is somewhere on the internet. Many people, tools, and systems connect to it. If the wrong person gets access, even by mistake, your data can be leaked, deleted, or misused. ISO 27017 makes sure only the right people get inside and only for the right reasons. ISO 27017 says, make a clear access policy. ISO 27017 starts with one big rule. Create a proper cloud access policy. This means writing down who can access what, why they need it, and how long they will have access. Without this policy, you will end up giving too much access to too many people. Now, user account management made simple. ISO 27017 tells you to keep your user accounts clean. No old accounts, no unknown accounts, no temporary accounts that never got deleted. Every account must have a person, a purpose, and a time limit. This stops hackers from using forgotten accounts to enter your cloud. Now, role-based access. Give only what they need. Instead of giving everyone full access, ISO 27017 tells you to give people access based on their job role. If someone is in HR, they shouldn't be able to touch finance data. If someone is a developer, they shouldn't have access to management data. This keeps everything neat, safe, and controlled. Now, admin accounts, handle with care. Admin accounts are powerful. They can change settings, delete data, or create new users. ISO 27017 treats these accounts with extra safety. Only a few trusted people should have admin access, and their actions should always be watched closely. Use multi-factor authentication. Passwords alone are not enough. ISO 27017 strongly recommends using multi-factor authentication like OTP, fingerprint, Face ID, or a hardware key. Even if someone steals your password, they still can't enter your cloud. Access logs. Keep a record of who did what. ISO 27017 asks you to record every login, every access, and every change. These logs act like CCTV cameras. If something goes wrong, you can check the logs and find out who did it, when and how. Now, cloud provider access, don't forget them. Sometimes cloud providers need access to your environment for maintenance. ISO 27017 says this access must also be controlled, recorded, and approved. No silent entry by anyone, even providers. Now, control access to virtual machines and storage. Cloud doesn't just have files. It has VMs, containers, APIs, storage buckets, and mainly virtual components. ISO 27017 makes sure access is controlled for all these parts too, so no one can misuse a hidden entry point. Now, zero trust. Trust no one blindly. ISO 27017 supports the zero trust mindset. Don't automatically trust anyone. Verify every login, verify every permission, verify every device. This keeps your cloud safe from internal and external threats. Now, control access, control security. If cloud security is a building, access control is the front door. ISO 27017 shows you how to protect that door, who should enter, how long they stay, and what they can do. When access is controlled properly, your cloud becomes safer, stronger, and harder to attack. Thanks for watching this detailed session, and I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.